Hi guys, it's John here with another passive income video, and today we're going to be looking at Honeygain. So Honeygain is probably the easiest passive income I've actually found to date, and I'd say it's a bit of a no-brainer really if you have a phone or a PC or any kind of virtual machine or anything. You can run Honeygain on it and just start getting Honeygain credits. So what Honeygain does is basically share your internet connection with other people, but this isn't the same as Mysterium. This isn't a VPN. You can actually see, if we scroll down, exactly what the internet is used for that you share. So when you're running a Honey node, it's basically used for SEO and web stats, brand protection, ad verification, app testing, content delivery, and price comparison. So I know a lot of people were quite worried about the Mysterium node, which is a sort of VPN node that you set up, but this is actually getting paid for helping offer these services to various businesses. So what I like about Honeygain is that you can run 2 devices per network. So if you've got 2 devices at home, you can run those at the same time to double your rewards basically. Now they do have this fancy little calculator here which will estimate your earnings. So let's say the daily shared traffic. So let's make it a more reasonable 5 gigabytes here. So you're showing 5 gigabytes per day and you've got 2 devices. Now the content delivery, you're going to want to turn that on. We'll go to the official explanation here as to what content delivery is. So it includes multiple types of bandwidth intensive content, so images, videos, streaming. So basically any sort of content delivery system which requires a lot of bandwidth. So do be wary of this. Obviously, if you do have a limit on your bandwidth, then you maybe don't want to turn this on. I've got it turned on as mine is unlimited. Okay, so let's say we have our content delivery on 24 hours a day and our shared traffic is 5 gigabytes. So we're going to earn $19 per month if we have 2 devices. You see here it says 2 devices recommended. Now, if you can share more than that, you obviously can't choose how much data you do share, but you can see here it goes up with the amount of earnings that you'd receive. Honeygain is available on Android, Windows, macOS, iOS, and Linux Docker. So you can actually run this from your phone if you wish. I believe Android is a more reliable version to run because we don't have to worry too much about the phone going to sleep and closing things in the background. I think iOS is a bit more restrictive. But yeah, I personally run it on a couple of Windows VMs and I will show you that now just so you can see what it looks like. I've put a link in the description to this page, and if you use my referral code, you do get $5 when you sign up. So that would be an instant $5 in your account, which will help towards your monthly withdrawal. So basically, once you've installed Honeygain, you'll see the little honeybee icon in your taskbar here. And if you right click on here, you can see your current balance. You can see how much you've earned today, how much data you've shared, how much content delivery you've done. So I've actually not done any today. I'm still in the queue for content delivery. And you can jump to your dashboard, which I'll show you next, or you can log out, quit. So I would enable this as soon as you can once you've installed it. It does take a few moments to pop up and ask if you want to enable content delivery. And then you'll be placed in a queue. As you can see, the queue is currently full for content delivery. So obviously lots of other people are doing this as well, as you do earn a lot more money through content delivery. But let's take a look at the dashboard now and see how that looks. Okay, so here's my dashboard, and as you can see, I've got 5,403 credits, and you get a payout when you reach $20. So I'm currently on $5.40 here out of 20, and you can then pay out in Bitcoin or via PayPal. Okay, so here we can see an example of the sort of daily reward that you can get on Gain Honey here. So you can win up to 10,000 Honeygain credits. So let's just give it a try, see what we get. We get 10 credits, so can't really argue that. Let's add those in. You get a bit of a breakdown here of your earnings for that day. So like I said, I've got 2 nodes running, and in total, I've earned 334 credits. I've won 10 on the daily bonus award and 16 from my referral. So like I said, if you use my link down below in the description, you will instantly get $5 added to your pot, and then you'll just need to earn another 15 before you can have a payout. So if we scroll down a bit, we can see here your active devices. So these are my 2 VMs here, and this is my phone, which I set up just to see what it looked like. I've disconnected it now because it did detect that I had more than 2 devices on my IP that were running. But yeah, don't use your mobile data for this unless you do have an unlimited plan, because you will end up regretting that quite a lot. But yeah, that's it really. It's quite simple. You just set it and forget it and just wait for your payout to be reached. So I'm at 27% already. I only started this yesterday. Okay, I just want to show you how simple it is to set up on your phone as well. So if you click on the link in the description, you'll come to this page here. Just click on download for Android. Obviously, if you've got an iPhone, it will ask you to download for iOS. Click on download again. Just confirm you want to download the file, and you'll see once it's finished, click on open, click on install, and then once it's installed, click on open again. Now your phone may ask you on Android if you want to allow installations from unknown sources. You will just have to go through that and enable that for you to be able to install this, because this doesn't come from the Google Play Store. But it is a safe app to use. I've used it before, so click on open and then agree to the terms of service. Scroll through and read them if you wish. Skip the introduction. And here we can see whether we want to use mobile data or not. I would advise that you don't. If you do have unlimited mobile data, then obviously you can click on yes. I'm going to set it to no because I do not. You can obviously set it here and then give yourself a limit. So say if you've got a 10 gigabyte plan, you could set it to 5 gigabytes as the limit. I'm going to leave mine as no. I'm just going to use mine with Wi-Fi. It will ask you if you want to disable the battery optimization. I'm going to click on here and then click allow, and that will just allow it to run better in the background when you don't have the app in the front of the screen here. So this is the initial screen you'll see. You'll just need to sign up and create an account and log in, and then it will look a little something like this. And once you've signed up, you'll obviously get to see your current balance and things. This is mine as it stands. But yeah, that's it really. You can now leave it in the background. You'll see the notification in the top of the screen. Mine's currently paused as I already have 2 nodes running on my IP here. But yeah, it's as simple as that really. So if you've got any questions or comments about Honeygain, please do leave them down below in the description. I'll be making monthly videos so we can see how much I'm making per month with this. Like I said, I only started yesterday, as you can see. So it'll be interesting to see how much we can make in a month and just compare it to Mysterium, which is another sort of passive income that I've got running in the background. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And again, any questions you have, leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And until then, I will see you in the next video.